Welcome to watch the Advansol Module Level Regulation Solution MRO Installation Guide. This video is the installation video for the version 2.5 Data Control Box DCON Wi-Fi. Model APTCBD Wi-Fi S/M/L. This video uses the APTCB Wi-Fi S control box as an example for installation instructions. Product introduction and unboxing. Before installation, please open the packaging box. Confirm that all accessories are complete and there is no damage to the appearance. Internal structure display of the box. Before installation, please ensure the inverter DC side is turned off. The power of the data control box is turned off. Proceed with construction only after taking protective measures. Version 2.5 Data Control Box. Installed on the DC cable between the photovoltaic inverter and the photovoltaic array, usually installed near the inverter side. DCON Wi-Fi fixing method. Fix the mounting ears on the back of the version 2.5 data control box. Then place the box in a suitable position. Prepare corresponding screws according to the actual situation. Fix the box on the wall or bracket. Tear off the double-sided tape at the bottom of the antenna. Stick the antenna directly on the top of the box. Press it firmly. Observe the bottom of the box. There are 3 sizes of boxes, S, M, and L. They can connect different numbers of strings. Open the version 2.5 data control box. Confirm the breaker is in the off position. Pass the 100-240V AC power through the waterproof connector on the left side. Connect to the upper end of the breaker. Connect the positive pole of the DC bus directly to the inverter. Connect the negative pole of the DC bus. After connecting to the corresponding MC4 terminal at the bottom of the version 2.5 data control box. At the other corresponding MC4 terminal, connect the negative pole of the DC bus to the inverter. Finally, tear off the DCON Wi-Fi QR code label on the side of the data control box. The corresponding DCON Wi-Fi QR code. Paste it on the corresponding microcontroller. After installation is complete, confirm that the version 2.5 data control box, the box and all internal components are securely fixed. DCON Wi-Fi installation check. Turn on the breaker. Confirm the PWR indicator light of DCON Wi-Fi is solid red. Turn off the breaker. Confirm the PWR indicator light of DCON Wi-Fi is off. The installation of the version 2.5 data control box is now complete.